Welcome to IS250. I am Professor Fahmi Jalani. Today we'll be taking a look at Chapter 8, which is memory management. So let's jump into it. So what is it actually? As you can see here, the example, right? According to the slide, basically is for an array is basically a contiguous memory uh, where you use a get or set method. Okay, starting address with the first element in V and to arrive to the element, and the methods add and objective reference and add I comma objective reference is being used. Here the example shows where you add integer 29 at position 2, which is here 2, right? So basically slightly similar, removing via the remove method. Okay. So let's take a look at linked list. So also here the expression say linked list basically it's not only containing the data but also the reference link. Right. Over here we have comparison between array list and linked list, where array list is contiguous memory, whereas linked list stores anywhere in the memory. Okay. And array list is using set and get, which is much more quicker than a linked list. Okay. Later on we see some example in the lab. Eight point three. Take a look at memory region such as heap and stack. We have the different type code, okay, where you see the region where program instructions are stored. Static memory, this is basically where static are located. Okay. Basically static meaning not changing. They are located once and last for duration of program execution. Okay, as long as the program is running, still there. Next is stack, where variables are located and during a method call, and this also automatically allocate and delocated, okay, in the memory. And last we have a heap. This is basically a new operator. Okay, it allocates memory for the object, right? Or called free store. 8.4, we'll talk about basic garbage collection. Okay, in most program, because the memory available is finite, so objects allocated to heap must eventually be delocated when no longer needed by the program. It's quite common sense, or else your memory get overloaded. Okay, and Java basically use called garbage allocation. Okay. And this basically execute include automatics behavior that variables interval finds all unreachable, so i.e. Unused, and located memory location automatically free such memory, okay, to be reused. So um, with garbage collection, we have the perception of unlimited memory supply. Okay. And in Java, basically the virtual machine keeps a count, and it's also called a reference count. And 8.5 lastly is garbage collection and variable scope. This is where programmer does not explicitly have reference variable uh, to indicate the order that variable no longer refers to an object. Okay. Um, so Java program will automatically now reference it for the whole entire program. And yeah. So that's pretty much it for the class to chapter 8. It's just a short lecture. If you have any question, please email me and or drop by my office for appointment. Thank you very much, and please stay safe. Bye bye.